We are no longer supporting IE, Web Explorer, as we strive to provide site experiences for Internet browsers that support brand new web standards and security practices. We suggest our users to upgrade the Internet browser. When you hire Molly Housemaid, you're working with an expert. One of the marks of Molly Housemaid's professional cleaning service is that we clean your house with a video game strategy in mind. A strategy that handles cleaning in an organized way, while having the versatility to incorporate your custom desires. And, we understand our consumers enjoy our service. Besides, sharing is great. Utilize our house cleansing checklist to clean your home effectively and thoroughly. Before you begin going room to room, pause initially to. That's much better. Now pick up mess, and as you go, feel free to second-guess your possessions. Mentioning closets, if you have any that you're scared to open, face your worries, it's time to go left to right, top to bottom, with microfiber fabrics. This will lower allergens and improve the air quality in your home. Dampened cloths connected to the ends of mops and brooms work terrific for removing cobwebs. Do not forget to hit the tops of doors, fans, light fixtures, photo frames, and yes, each of your knick-knacks, keep them in screen cases to reduce dusting work. For the face of framed images, television screens, and computer system displays, use glass cleaner on your cotton cloth or microfiber to avoid streaking. Hit the floorings in the entire house, and upholstered furnishings. Be amazed at all those missing items, socks, your favorite pen, that you find under your couch cushions. For mopping, begin at the farthest corner of the room and move back toward the entryway. Rinse mop after completing each 4 by 4 foot area. Location: bath mat in tub, shower. Wet tub, shower walls with warm water. Apply tile and grout cleaner, allow to sit. Spray, clean everything with versatile cleaner except toilet, vanity, shower, tub, mirror. Fill container with cup all-purpose cleaner and water to prep for flooring cleaning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.